Hello and welcome back to my channel. And now if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to glam up some Dollar Tree pumpkins. So for the first pumpkin, I painted the stem with silver metallic paint. Then I sprinkled fine glitter immediately and let it dry for about 15 minutes. Okay, so next I use my spray glue to spray the top part of my pumpkin, including the stem. I then sprinkle some chunky glitter, and this will add, just something extra. Now, of course, you can stop at the stem, which still gives you that glam effect, but I like to be a little extra. So as you can see, using the spray glue, that was just an epic fail. Most of the glitter fell off the pumpkin, so I had to go back in and use the Mod Podge. So for the second pumpkin, I used the same technique for the stem. I then added some pearls and diamond gems around the top portion of the pumpkin. I used some clear tacky glue to adhere the gems. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this process was very tedious, but it gave me an excuse to use my gems, plus the outcome is beautiful. Next is the styrofoam pumpkin, which I first gave it one coat of white chalk paint, and this is to cover up the majority of the orange. I then gave it 2 coats of the blue paint. Now you can probably use spray paint, but I definitely do not suggest doing so because from experience, the spray paint does melt the pumpkin. So once the paint dried, I went ahead and added my little knob as a stem using my E6000 glue and a little bit of hot glue. I then added about 8 strips of the Bling wrap to the pumpkin using my hot glue. Okay, so this next pumpkin is actually an old one that I had since last year that I used at a birthday party. So I'm just gonna use 1 coat of paint to cover up that little orange spot that you see there. the silver glitter to cover up the stem. And I use leftover crushed mirror glass and glitter to put on the top part of the pumpkin. And I did sprinkle just a little bit of black glitter on the top, and then I just sprayed it with my spray glue to seal in everything. All right, now so here's the last pumpkin, which I used the same technique as the blue one. I just painted it first with the white chalk paint, and then I gave it 2 coats of the silver metallic paint. And I'm spreading Mod Podge so I can add my crushed mirror glass, and I'm doing it in sections just to make sure I get a good coverage. So now I'm adding a second layer of Mod Podge, and this will seal in the crushed mirror glass. And I will then add some glitter on top of that just to make it extra glam. And once the Mod Podge dried, I did spray it with some hairspray to seal in the glitter. Okay guys, so here is the final look of all of the pumpkins I did. Now I even threw in an extra one that I did off camera, so continue to watch towards the end of the video. OMG, they all turned out super gorgeous, so I'm having a hard time deciding on which one I like the best. So you guys leave me a comment, let me know which one you like the best. It's so hard to decide because they all turned out so gorgeous. And here is the bonus pumpkin. I love it because it's blue. Blue is my favorite color. So I'm loving everything about this here. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, again, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments. And as always, thank you so much for watching.